practicing our dance with our clingy kids. Can't even practice in peace. Good morning! It is day 2. It's been a week. But yeah, it is day 2 here in Taumeasina. Yeah, we're going to have breakfast. Benina, are you going to have breakfast at Taumeasina? Baby? Today we have bacon and then turn. Oh, porridge, nice. Pancakes. What I got? Ramen. This iPhone 8. We can't really tell. Remember my wedding? For wedding, I want. Omelette. Chicken omelette with mushroom. Talofa, everyone. It is day 2 here in Taumeasina. We had a really nice weather yesterday. It was sunny yesterday. So today is day 2, and I'm not surprised that it's raining, as you can see. Yeah, it's rainy today. It is rainy season here in Samoa. So yeah, that is an update from us here in Taumeasina. The plan today is nothing much, pretty much. Amira is enjoying her morning nap. She's really enjoying it. And yeah, we do have a dance that we need to practice because we only have a few more days before my dad's birthday. So yeah, my dad's birthday is tomorrow. That is Wednesday, but we're not celebrating it until Saturday in Hawaii. So stay tuned for my dad's birthday vlog. It's gonna be great. I just hope that we get some sun on the day, because if it's gonna be rainy in Hawaii, I don't know how that's gonna turn out. But yeah, very excited, so stay tuned for that vlog. I'll try to upload as much vlogs as possible, but yeah, we'll probably need Wi-Fi. Probably need to go somewhere where there's Wi-Fi so that I can upload it. But yeah.
The next day.
Myra? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? going? Hi, baby. Hi, lovey. Taumeasina. O siya foi Taumeasina. Yeah, Louis Sheraton.
Okay. Later that day.
Manaya. Manaya. Naya. You want to go swim now? Yoga going on. That's cool. I should really go and join them, eh? So that's my nephew Manaya. He's actually the eldest of 8 grandkids. So that's a lot of grandkids. Ooh, I don't know what that is, eh? I think someone's getting engaged or something. Not too sure. You want to go swim? Huh? The kids are enjoying the pool. There's Manaya, Benina, Kaylani. Where's the other one? Istra. And Amira is too little to be swimming. Nah, not too little. She already had a shower. You wanna go join me?
Careful your shoes!
Off the fire alarm in the kitchen. Maybe the chef burned something.
So while the fire alarm is going off, me and my gorgeous girl here, we're just gonna go explore the other side of Taumeasina that we've never been to. Yeah, the building there. I've always seen this building online, but I just have never been to see it myself. wanna join them doing yoga? Huh? So this is where they usually do weddings and stuff. So cool. Nice, mate. No. So this is where they usually do weddings. This building here. Usually people come and do their weddings here. Nice view. So pretty. They've got a nice breeze coming from this side. Hey, baby. Yeah. How beautiful is this building? Best view ever. So the kids are just enjoying. We're out here exploring the side of Taumeasina. Definitely my first night. Sunset. It's a perfect sunset view from here. Where? Where? Yeah. Naya, look. Naya.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It is our day 3 here in Taumeasina. I woke up early I woke up at like around 3 and our power was off. So we definitely had a power cut here in Taumeasina. And then just like 30 minutes later, it came back on. But yeah, no wonder why you woke up. Because you were getting hot in there. But I didn't know. I didn't know when the power was off. But yeah, we're just heading to go for breakfast, and then yeah, it's just the 2 of us today. My sister didn't come last night after our practice at my house because we just have some people over that arrived last night, so she needed to do a bit of cleanup. But yeah, we're just going for breakfast. Latte with caramel. Eller is it caramel? Is it sweet? Ja, mij laat de hazel van morgen. Day 3, today's breakfast. Today they have bunny popo, pancakes, and eggs. I'm having breakfast today. Just wanted to try out the stir fry. What are you gonna have for breakfast? Huh? What are you having for breakfast? We finished our breakfast. Now we're heading back to our room. My mum, she's coming today from Savali, so she's just gonna come straight here to pick us up, and then we'll go home. Meet fams that arrived last night. We might go see my brother. Him and his family arrived last night as well, so very excited. But yeah, Myra's enjoying it, so are you?